How to create an event. Now that you've completed the initial steps, it's time to create your first event. Click the plus icon in the left side menu and fill in the details. Click Save and Continue. Go to Events in the left side menu and you will see your newly created event. Now let's add some guests. Click your event and go to the Guest tab. You can either add an existing guest or register a new one. Click Add to Event. Okay, then we can add an activity. Go to Itinerary, click Add New Itinerary Event, select Add New Activity, and fill in the details. You can assign guests or employees to your activities. Click Create. Great. Now you can see your activity in the itinerary. Let's add some assets to your event. Select the assets from the list. Select the quantity and assign a responsible party. Click Add to Event. You'll see that a reservation has been created for these assets. You can also add notes, either for a specific team or individual members. They'll receive a notification once the note is added. Excellent. Your first event is now created. Go to your dashboard to see a quick overview. One event scheduled for today, number of guests, and assigned employees. You can view your event directly from the dashboard or switch to the calendar view to see all your events. Take the stress out of event management with Dot5.